Shiba Inu's bullish breakout. Analyst predicts 432% upside after key pattern reversal, stunning $1 million Shiba Inu pullout shakes Robinhood, and crucial Shiba Inu CEO Satoshi Kusama message shared with SHIB community. This price-boosting news comes just after a Bitcoin pump past important resistance levels. Things are going crazy for Shiba Inu, but what are the details of this news, and how will it affect the value of Shiba Inu? Well, stay tuned because in today's video, we will be answering these questions and analyzing what Shiba Inu's potential next move could be. This video is packed with resourceful information, so if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or you hold any SHIB tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. Also, make sure you join my free Telegram group through the link in the description. I have made many amazing calls in the group, including multiple 10x's, multiple 20x's, and an over 40x call. The feedback has been amazing, and you are genuinely missing out if you aren't in already. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look on CoinGecko and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 24th of August, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,589 units. SHIB's price is up 7% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $331 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $9 billion, ranking it as the 16th most valuable cryptocurrency. We will also just take a quick look at Bitcoin's price, as it can usually impact the movement of altcoins like Shiba Inu. Bitcoin's price today is around $64,000. Bitcoin's price is up 5.5% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $4 to $5 billion. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of over $1.2 trillion. The next thing we are going to check for today is a very useful indicator, the Fear and Greed indicator. It currently sits at 56 for Bitcoin, which is classed as greed. This is a massive increase from last week when Bitcoin sat in extreme fear. This is a crucial indicator to keep track of as you want to be buying Bitcoin and longing altcoins when Bitcoin is sitting in extreme fear. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the news. So first up, stunning $1 million Shiba Inu pullout shakes Robinhood. There has not been much significant activity with the Shiba Inu token in the last 24 hours, despite a sharp shift in price to the positive side. Perhaps the only transfer worth noting is the withdrawal of 74.156 billion SHIB by Wintermute, a leading market maker with nearly $200 million in capital, from the platform of Robinhood, a leading broker in the United States. A withdrawal equal in current prices to more than $1 million was further moved between different market maker addresses. Further, however, the transaction history implies a large-scale shuffling of these tokens between different exchanges like Binance and OKX. As a result, Wintermute addresses known to Arkham currently hold 25.125 billion SHIB, which is equivalent to $360,800. While Wintermute shuffled billions of Shiba Inu tokens between centralized marketplaces, the price of SHIB, as mentioned, shows highly volatile behavior. It is ultra bullish, to be precise. Thus, since the beginning of the week, the price of the Shiba Inu token has increased by more than 10.5%. As a result, SHIB quotes reached 1,460 units, the maximum since the end of July. Now, let's move on to the second news story of today's video. Crucial Satoshi Kusama message shared with SHIB community details. In a recent tweet, Shiba Inu team member Lucy shared the 22 principles of Shiba Inu from the Genesis of the Shiba State, the SHIB paper authored by Shiba Inu lead Satoshi Kusama. Genesis of the Shiba State, released by the Shiba Inu lead developer in 2023, is a key document that delves into the principles and ethos underpinning the Shiba Inu project. It reflects the core values that the Shiba Inu community is built upon, emphasizing the project's commitment to decentralization, community-driven development, and innovative financial solutions. The 22 principles, as highlighted in the Genesis of the Shiba State, outline the ethical framework that underpins the Shiba Inu society, grounded in principles of harmony, justice, and mutual respect. These principles act as a guiding compass, setting an ethical and behavioral framework that promotes peace, harmony, and mutual respect among citizens. The Shiba Inu community is guided by such principles as transparency, stewardship, and accountability. Transparency promotes honesty and integrity. Stewardship cares for and contributes to community resources, while the principle of accountability urges the Shiba Inu community to be responsible for its actions and contributions. Lucy cited these two as her key principles. Others include security, which ensures the safety of all citizens, and privacy protection, which protects individual privacy. Shiba Inu highlights commitment to ethical governance. Lucy recently tweeted about Shiba Inu's commitment to ethical governance and environmental responsibility through Leash Token. Shiba Inu ecosystem token Leash plays a crucial role in the SHIB state's environmental council, particularly within the Protection and Policy branch. The Protection and Policy branch is in charge of protecting community members' rights and security, as well as the values they hold. It employs a strict system of checks and balances to avoid any abuse of power, whether within its ranks or by other branches of governance. To be honest, a lot of this is just fluff from the SHIB team, and it would be good if they could stop the fluff and focus on rebuilding the SHIB community or building some useful products for people to use. I hope the team wakes up and put the SHIB army loyalty to use, as the holders deserve better, in my opinion. Now, let's move on to the third news story of today's video. Shiba Inu's bullish breakout. Analyst predicts 432% upside after key pattern reversal. Shiba Inu appears poised for a significant rally, according to prominent crypto analyst Javan Marks. Marks highlighted that SHIB has been trading within a large falling wedge pattern on the daily chart. This chart pattern often suggests that a strong upward move might be imminent. SHIB has broken out of this falling wedge pattern. According to Marks, this breakout could be the catalyst for a substantial price surge. Marks noted that a breakout could potentially push the price of SHIB to 8,100 units. This target price represents a remarkable 432% gain from the current price levels. His tweet says the following: Shiba Inu has now broken out of this falling wedge pattern on the daily, and this may be what sparks the next wave up towards the 8,100 unit target, and we may be right here in the beginning stages of it. An over 432% upside for SHIB is on the radar. Javan Marks previously identified a regular bullish divergence in SHIB's price action in addition to the falling wedge breakout. A bullish divergence occurs when the price makes lower lows while a momentum indicator, such as the RSI, makes higher lows. Divergences often signal a potential reversal in the trend, which could lead to a strong price increase. Marks asserts that this bullish divergence, now confirmed by the breakout, strengthens the case for a major upward trend. He also pointed out in an earlier post that this setup could trigger the next phase of heavy bullishness for SHIB, with the potential for a 498% climb. This would be a continuation of SHIB's recent breakout from a larger pattern. Generally, this would indicate that the underlying asset is building momentum for a significant move. With the current technical setup, the price of SHIB might surge in the coming few days. I don't disagree with a lot of what he is saying. The really important thing with SHIB is that it consolidates and then goes on a massive pump when people least expect it, but if you are a SHIB holder, I do always recommend that you look deeper into the market. So what do you think of this news? Are you bullish or bearish on Shiba Inu? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will be replying to as many comments as possible. And if you want to get faster crypto updates, then be sure to follow me on Twitter. I am posting multiple times a day on there, and I drop a lot of value, so make sure you follow me and stick notifications on as well. If you want to see more of the latest news in crypto, then check out my recent uploads. But did you know that there is a sector in the crypto industry that is attracting investment from BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and various other major investment firms? If you want to learn more about this and get a list of coins that could explode in the event of a bull run, then click the video on screen now.